Welcome to Factful Finance. Today we're diving into one of the most revolutionary shifts in the world of money, Central Bank Digital Currencies, or CBDCs. But here's a thought. What if the future of money isn't physical cash or even digital wallets, but an entirely new kind of currency controlled by governments themselves? Sounds futuristic? It's already happening, and it could reshape the global economy in ways we can't even imagine yet. Let's break down what CBDCs are, how they could impact you, and what we need to know as the financial landscape evolves. CBDCs are digital currencies issued and regulated by a country's central bank. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, they are centralized, meaning the government or central authority controls their value and transactions. In simple terms, it's like the digital version of the dollar or pound, but without the paper. Central banks around the world, including in China, Europe, and even the US, are testing or rolling out these digital currencies. Now, why should we care? Imagine this. Your government could offer you a secure digital alternative to the physical money you carry. No more worrying about lost cash or bank fees. But it's not just about convenience. It's about control. Central banks could track every transaction made with CBDCs. While this could help prevent fraud, reduce crime, and even make cross-border payments faster and cheaper, it raises questions about privacy and surveillance. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. Take China's digital Yuan. Already in circulation, this digital currency is being used in everyday transactions, from buying groceries to paying for transportation. The Chinese government is using it as a tool to enhance financial inclusion, making it easier for people without access to traditional banking to participate in the economy. But here's the catch. CBDCs come with both opportunities and challenges. On the one hand, they could make money transactions safer, faster, and more inclusive. On the other hand, they could give governments unprecedented power to monitor spending and control financial systems. What happens if your spending habits are tracked? Or if the government can freeze your digital wallet at any time? Now let's dig into how this impacts you. Are you prepared for a future where cash may no longer be king? Consider this. Amelia, a freelance graphic designer, does most of her business digitally. If the US rolled out a CBDC tomorrow, Amelia would have to adapt to a whole new system of payments and regulations. Similarly, small businesses like Liam's local coffee shop might face new challenges in transitioning from cash to digital-only transactions. As we explore the future of money, it's essential to consider the broader economic implications. Financial experts argue that CBDCs could drastically reduce transaction costs, especially for cross-border payments. For example, the average cost of sending money across borders is around 7%, but CBDCs could slash that down to a fraction of a percent. Countries like Sweden and the Bahamas are already testing out digital currencies with great success in remittances. But there are other concerns to address. What happens to the traditional banking system? If CBDCs dominate, will commercial banks lose their role in the economy? In theory, central banks could offer accounts directly to consumers, bypassing banks altogether. This would change the entire financial ecosystem, shifting the power from private financial institutions to government control. So what's the bottom line here? CBDCs are coming, and fast. They hold the potential to make payments more efficient, lower costs, and provide better access to financial services for people worldwide. But they also introduce new risks in terms of privacy, control, and the future of the banking industry. Which side are you on? Do you see CBDCs as an opportunity for a more efficient and inclusive financial system, or as a step toward an unsettling future of surveillance and control? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of money and finance. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly changing economy, this channel has exactly what you need. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized advice. Now, if you want to learn about more money-changing innovations, click on the video on screen. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.